Hello! So for today we are going to draw two bulls in Warli art. For that we need alphabet V and X. At the same time we need some shapes like triangle, rectangle, drop shape. That's it. So for bull we need alphabet X. So what we have to do, we have to draw alphabet X and then we are going to connect this and this one and color. So I colored both triangles. Now I'm going to draw legs. One V, another V. This part is little bit thick and this one like two. Same thing I'm going to do this one, but this one is going this way, so this one will go just opposite. Little bit thick here. Alphabet V sideways. So we are done with the leg part. Now I'm going to draw the tail and leaf shape or drop shape. So tail is done. Now for head you can draw a tiny neck, and then for head you have to pull this one. Try to make a triangle, and over here you can draw a rectangle and color it. Ears, two horns, and then color this head part. So I'm done with the coloring part. Now you have to draw one hump over here. So we are done with this one. Now we have to do the another one. So for another one I took another paper, so then it will be little bit long, and I can just move this one little bit here and I can draw a little bit big over here. So let's do that. So for that I am going to draw X and then I will connect, and then I will fill both of them with the black color. Opposite direction V, two of them. The top part we are going to do a little bit thicker. So tail. Right. Now I'm going to draw the neck part. So in this one we did this way, but in this case I'm going to draw this way, and I will leave little bit of space for the neck, and then draw a triangle and one rectangle, and we have to color the whole thing. The head can be big or small. It just depends upon your drawing, so you can adjust whenever you feel like. Now I have to draw two ears, two horns. I missed one thing. What I missed? Here, one bump over here. Yes, now we are done. Now I am going to show you how to draw both bulls on same paper. So you can use canvas, panel, whatever you have, and any medium you can use.